So one thing I like to do for my customers is offer them just helpful advice that they might need in a carpet cleaning transaction. And so in the course of talking with me, I'll offer my opinion as to what needs to be cleaned, what we can wait on, um, what types of cleaning methods we should use, whether we should use some fabric protection, whether we might need certain spot cleaners. Um, are there any pet stains in the house? Things like this. But I like to be really honest with my customers and give them good advice to help them through the process. So, the favorite book I've read recently is called 12 Ordinary Men, and it's by John MacArthur. He's a Christian pastor. And the book asks the question, why did Jesus choose these 12 ordinary people to be his apostles? Did they have great talents? Were they attractive? Were they great orators? Were they great leaders? And in fact, Jesus chose them because they were ordinary and often even unschooled people, but they had a couple qualities that God was looking for in people is they were faithful and loving, they loved God and they cared about people. And that's all that Jesus wanted from them. I think the favorite thing that I enjoy about the work that I do is just completing a job and having a customer being really happy. Having them make comments, wow, I never thought you could get it this clean, or I didn't know it was going to smell this good too. Um, and boy, I've never had it as clean as what you've just done. I really appreciate it. So just having the customer tell me that they're thankful and appreciative of my work really makes a difference to me. And that's really kind of what I live for in business. Well, one of the clients I'd like to tell you about is a recent one that has been using me for probably 20 years for carpet cleaning. And she's in Newark, I'm in Dublin, and she knows that I'm a little distance away, and her job isn't usually that big. So what she does is she calls some of her friends in the same complex as she is in Newark, and she actually lines up one or two other carpet cleanings for me on the same day, so that if I run out there, it's a little distance, like I said, I have enough work to make it worth my while. And just the fact that she kind of looks out for me and appreciates what I do, like I said, it's been about 20 years. So that's one client that I appreciate. Another is a commercial client that has been calling me again for about 20 years. They've gone through a change of ownership and they continue to use me. And that's amazing because usually change of manager, change of ownership, they find their own people. But I appreciate the clients that have stuck with me over the years. Before a customer makes a decision on a company that he or she wants to hire for carpet cleaning and assorted services, is what type of cleaning methods do you use? And who's doing the work? Those are important questions. You may also want to ask, what kind of warranty do you offer? Or do you have any online referrals that we can look at to see if you do good work? All of these would be helpful in helping you choose your carpet cleaner. What sets us apart from other carpet cleaning services is that we have been diamond certified for 10 or 11 years now. And so we are independently rated highest in quality. Means you can go online and you can find hundreds of reviews of past customers. They're not, we don't take the bad ones out, they're all in there. And so you can get a real honest view. Uh, we are owner operated, so I've been born and raised in the Bay Area and I do all the work myself. So when you call, you're talking to me. When I come out to do an estimate, you're dealing with yours truly. And when I do the work, it's just me that you have to deal with. So that kind of makes it easier.